Luckily, someone just left the parking lot, so we got a space. We are at the Kinsmen Mountain shelter. A foggy and rainy day. Bruno was having a tough time yesterday, but we survived.
We'll make it.
Yes.
Another night.
So today we'll try to hit Kinsmen. We are on North Kinsmen. 4,278 feet.
We're up here on Kinsmen. We just went to that 4,000 foot some peak, and we're crossing into the clouds with Boo Boo leading the way to another 4,000 peak. Let's go.
We're going to South Kinsmen now. Okay, now we're going back to Kinsmen Pond. The sun is out.
We are here at Kinsmen Pond, and our favorite Olympic swimmer wants to jump in. Bruna is waiting. We have filtered our water, but we will not have a pond dog in the tent after much vomiting already.
Ready to head home. Very misty today.